tēnei te kāinga o ngā tamariki. E ai ki a mātou, ko ngā pakeke, me mate hanga mātou te tai āhuru mōwai mo ngā tamariki. He whare mahana, he whare aroha, he whare ako, he whare kōhete-hete, whakatika-tika, tēnei tau kua pahure. Kua werohia te ao I a mātou. Werohia nui I a mātou. It's in those moments where we found the most growth and understanding of who we are. I te mura o te ahi, ko Waikohe. I recall certain moments in our hardest times where we utilised our tikanga Māori to support us in navigating the many layers of te pō. Although it was very uncomfortable, mamai, pōuriuri, together we found a way through it and we found a way to hinātore. And it was in those moments that we really understood who we were, deep down to the core. Coming together with our tamariki to navigate those spaces and seeing our tamariki in that space and come through it was really eye-opening for us pakeke. Tamariki are lights. Ko rātou te hinātore o mātou ko ngā pakeke. The idea of te pō doesn't seem so heavy because mei kore ake te pō, ka kore nei te ao. When we go through these dark moments, we come out into the world of light better, flourishing, thriving, growing, and of course healing. We have created tikanga for ourselves as a whānau to support us in working through those emotions. The emotions can be all-consuming. The fear, the anxiety, the self-doubt, your self-worth, questioning who you are and whether you're on the right path, shame, guilt, hate, anger. There's so many difficult emotions that we were never taught to work through. But through the teachings of our tupuna, our mātauranga Māori and kōrero tuku iho that we have had the privilege of accessing, we created a tikanga to support us. Ko tahi, te mea tuatahi, ko te wānanga takitahi. Te mea tuarua, pure. We have many places that we like to go for pure. Through this kaupapa, we have reconnected with many of our pito whenua. Me te tohi, pātai ki ngā atua Māori, ki ngā tupuna mo te āwhina. Āwhina mai ki ahau, kia wātea ai ngā kapuapua ki roto I taku hinengaro. Kia kite ai ahau I te ārakitua. Tuawha, I hanga mātou tēnei hapu. Kei au, ngā pauwhirinaki maha. Kei ngā tamariki, ngā pakeke maha, ngā mātua maha, kei huri rauna I a rātou. Ki te āwhina, ki te aki. And so those are the four things that we have, but also different tikanga such as wānanga together. We've created a safe space, tēnei āhuru mōwai. We've created a safe space for our tamariki to feel comfortable enough to share, and for our pakeke to feel comfortable enough to share their really hard emotions. And I think having someone there, a soundboard, to hear your mamai is really freeing for us, because when we grew up as tamariki, we couldn't talk to anybody. So those are strategies that we've come up with as a whānau to help us to navigate those hard spaces. Koiranga mea, I whakaora I au I tēnei tau.